Hello everyone, in this video we'll talk about what are the variables, how we create them, how we assign them values. Let's start with this concept now. First of all, I'll explain in this picture, uh, I'll explain to you what are the variables. A variable is basically like a container where you store something. You store your data in computer. For example, variable is a space in computer's memory where you store some data. And while the program is running, we can change this data as well. So let's start in the scratch creating the variables. All right. So what I'm gonna do is first we'll create some variables. If we go to the variable block on the left side in the codes palette, we click make a variable, and let's start with our numeric variables first. We have two types of variables actually, numeric and the text. So we'll start with the numeric, and for example let's give it a name, first variable as girls. Okay, and then you can see on the stage we have this variable now, and then we click make variable again, and the second variable boys. Now we have two variables, and the third and the last one is students. Right. Now we have three variables here, and all are set to 0 by default, as we haven't saved anything there yet. So they are the default value is 0. So now I will drag this block here to our script area. Actually, we need three of them. So just snap them together here. Right. Now the first one, we start with the first variable. We created the girls, and we assign it a value, for example 12. And then the second variable, sorry, this is the girls variable, right? The boys variable, let's assign it a value, for example 10. And the third variable is gonna be students. So here we say 10 plus 12, 22. So the number of students are 22. If I double click here, so the all variables you're looking at the stage now have this data inside them. So these numbers are saved inside these variables. Right. Now what else we can do here is, let me show you the other way. If I make it 0 here, the default value, okay, so I want to do it with the operator. So I go here on the left, I click operator, I bring this one, I drag it this one, the addition operator, sorry, so this one here. Okay, so now we can even calculate with the help of this operator here. We click on the variables again. All right, so we bring this variable, so set students to girls, just put it inside here, and then the boys, just drag this variable here. So now set students to girls plus boys, so we use the plus operator to add whatever values are in these two variables. So if we double click again, we'll get the same result. So let's change here. So for example 22 girls, yeah, and 8 for example boys. And now if we double click, so see the value is 30 now. So when we run this program, 22 plus 8 equals 30. So 30 is stored in the students variable. So that's how variables basically work. Thanks for watching, and wait for my next video. Take care.